In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your Bluetooth version on your Android phone. Now, this method has been working for a long time and it still works, so I'm making this video so you can know this information. If you go to the settings, I haven't been playing around too much in these settings to try and find the Bluetooth version, but there's a much easier way to get this information. Just head to the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, you want to type AIDA 64 and then hit search, and it's this app right here at the top. I'm going to tap on it. You want to make sure that you have this app installed onto your phone, so just click on install and it'll install, and then you want to open it up. It might ask you for some permissions before it launches to this screen. Just give it access and what it asks for. Then right at the top, just tap on system, and then you'll notice near the bottom of the page, it says Bluetooth version and then a number. So in my phone, it's Bluetooth version 5.2. So now I know I have Bluetooth version 5.2, and that's great. So that's all there is to it. There's nothing complicated about this. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.